The lower control arm for this 2006 Toyota Corolla was bent. Quickly replace it. Use a 19mm wrench or socket to remove these bolts. Use the 2-wrench leverage trick to remove tight bolts. Use a 17mm socket to remove the ball joint bolts. Remove the bolts holding the motor mount here. This motor mount is under the battery. Take your time, you can do it. Do not rush. You can use a piece of wood like this to lift up the motor and transmission just enough, so you can remove a lower control arm bolt. I used a chain to pull out the lower control arm. You can use another car and a rope to pull it out like this. This is the bent lower control arm and the new one. I added a little bit of grease to the lower control arm so it can easily go in. I added a little bit of grease here as well. I installed the lower control arm with no problem. I inserted the long bolt that holds the lower control arm as well. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, and like always, I appreciate you, and until next time.